guys, thanks for stopping by. I'm on a little Saturday, Sunday morning adventure. No camping this weekend. Got a different bike, one you guys haven't seen. Got a bike packing trip coming up next weekend on Katy. I haven't been up there this year, so I'll be going up there next weekend and taking a friend on her first bike packing adventure. Well, proper bike packing adventure. She tried it years ago, it just didn't work out. I got her set up pretty good. Anywho, we got this different bike I'm on today. You said you guys haven't seen it. I'll stop here in a little bit and show you. Got a different setup too. Got a handlebar bag, which I don't use very often. It's a handlebar roll by Ortlieb. And I got the wag bag, what I call the wag bag. It's just a seat tail bag, which I know you don't normally use that either. But I'm going to on this trip. Hey guys, just got done a pretty good climb there, about 10%. It's pretty good on the O. Oops, I just gave it away. Pretty good on this style of bike. I said it, but I cut it out. I want to wait and show you. Okay guys, about halfway here. Scheduled 20 miles today. I'm right at 10 miles, about 700 feet of elevation. I'll stop here and show you the steed. This is it. Woo, some bright green. It's a Motorbacan fat bike. I bought it a couple of years ago. I was going to do some bike packing trips with it. I never did, but the black definitely goes with the green. Here we got handlebar roll with the accessory pack. I've got handlebar Ortlieb top tube bag. It's got like a battery charger, my phone in it. Got the frame bag. I don't have anything in it. And the seat pack. That's It's got most all my camping stuff in it. I was able to get it all in there. Anyways, it's a 11-speed 1x. Front chain ring is a 32, and it's an oval ring. I bought this, didn't do any upgrades to it really. I've got some fork cages there if I want to carry some extra stuff. It's got disc brakes. They work really good. Cassette, I'm not sure. It's probably a 11 to 42. So it's right there. I think 11 to 42. Anyways, that's it, guys. Did a little customizing with the bottle cages. I added one here, one up on the other side, and two down there. If you're interested in seeing how I did that, let me know, and I can probably put something together. Yeah, that's the Motor Pecan fat bike. It's a lot hard to get up these hills on it. Anyway, but it'll roll over anything. Gonna get on down the road here, just outside of Leesburg. Yeah, just outside of Leesburg. I'll do a stop there. There's a park there. I'll show you what I got in the bags. Anyways, head on down the road. Hey guys, this is our turn around here at the railroad tracks. See a train come through here. Come through there with a couple dogs chasing me, see if they come back. Through here earlier, there's a couple dogs starting to chase me. Bigger one, the smaller one. The smaller one, you'll poke to the head. See if they come at me again. Right up this trailer on the right. Or left, sorry. Trailer on the left. There's one. That's the one I had to kick. Around the white one. You guys aren't so tough. They're done. Hey guys, made it back to Leesburg here. Stopped here at the park. Show you what I got in the bags. Oh, nothing too crazy. Do with this bag. Got some nutrition. Got my phone. Got my battery charger. Covered for 360. So down there I don't have anything. See what I got up here in the accessory pack. It's a roll top. That's my toolkit there. It's got some patches, tire levers. That's about it. Big fat tire tube, big fat tube. Got an air pump. That's it for that bag. Handlebar roll. I think it's mainly clothes. Yeah, I think it's just clothes. I got an extra kit in there, and some like some nice clothes. We'll go back here to the seat pack. Unpack that. Only got one hand here. This is butane. Got a tent light. Cook set. That's the pot. Stove. Lighter. About it really. My nature hike tent. Tent poles. Oh shit. Oh. Got a fork and a fork. That's my camp pillow. Oh. Yeah. Air pump for the air pad and pillow. Sleeping pad. Personal kit, personal hygiene kit. And deodorant. That's really it, guys. Like I said, got 2 changes of clothes in the roll up here. I think that's it. Yeah. Anyways, it's a little tour of what I'll be taking next week. Don't have any food. Don't have that on there yet. But yeah. Anyway, anywho, gonna get packed up here and head out. I use my little frame bag there for my food storage. If you're curious. Anyways, gonna get packed up here and head out. Hey guys, rolling back here, where we parked here in Bourbon. Parked here at the bike shop. Gonna work there for a little while today. Doing some organizing. Mileage 20.18. That's that 1,118 feet of elevation. Got a time. Average about 9 miles an hour. A little over 2 hours and 20 minutes. Not too shabby on the old fatty. Alright guys, I'm out. If you like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.